So I just got my motor back from the fab shop where TJ Mitchell films. He welded this up for me, and it's beautiful. So we got. Oh, this is still broken because I bought a new lowercase. Because why weld in that and machine it? And this one's broken because I got a new case. And so here's a little piece I made. There's the two pieces I made. And I had to put the case back on to get this cover back on so I could bolt on and line up the pieces I made. And I sent the tool with it so he didn't have to dig for tools to undo it. And don't mind me. Probably should have done this before, but hey, whatever. You can watch, I don't care. I'm sick today, so everything's difficult, obviously. Good enough. Not much payoff for all this buildup. Alright, so it has the little sleeve that goes in the cover. That one was only busted off to the sleeve. Those are the original threads. I just made a new sleeve, made it a little bigger, make it a little stronger, like I'm going to break my chain again. And this one, the threads were completely blown out, looked just like this one did. It does, whatever. And so I took a piece of bar stock, ground it down with a grinder, and I threaded it, put a bolt in it, spun the bar with a drill, and ground it down to make it the right size because it's too large. And then I put a shoulder counter bore for the sleeve, bolted it to the cover, and then I ground out the case where it was broken. Not too much, left as much case as possible. There was a big gap right here, and TJ did a wonderful job welding it up, so thanks, TJ. All right, that's all. It's a 2006 GSXR 1000 that the chain broke and broke my case. That's all.